Welcome back to another Lil Me Plays Bitcraft Online. So this is the continuation of our leveling up hunting challenge, or we're trying to level up our hunting profession in Bitcraft. So yung last time we were trying to craft. Well, actually, hindi naman craft. Balak natin i-trade yung items or upgrade. That's the plan. So we're trying to upgrade our goat into a hunting goat. So right now we have this mount and we're trying to upgrade it into hunting goat. I'm not sure kung ano yung laman nun. Forgot, but we can check. We can check again dun kay Alice. So what we have? Where are my... Actually, wala dito eh. It was supposed to be andun sa bank. Nakalimutan agad. So it's in the bank. Double check ko lang ulit if you have some items we can use. I think leather treatment. We need 2, 4. So we need 4, right? Actually, it's only control click. Yeah. So 4 and then 2 of this. And we can put it back. We need a bucket. Where are my buckets? Wala dito. Wala dyan. There we go. So 2. Dalawa lang. What else? Yeah, I think that's it. So try natin. Let's try to gather and refine stone muna. Kasi I think that's yun lang yun, parang yun lang yung ating kulang. So yes, hello again, and just for those na new to the channel, I am Lil Me. I am playing... Well, I'm not streaming, but I'm trying to run an episodic challenge. So I have one in Albion and then I have one here as well in Bitcraft. So kasi I took a long hiatus and I'm trying to get back sa laro. I mean, playing the game, and one of my parang drive to continue is... Well, I'm creating a drive personally to continue the game. And in Albion, I have this gathering challenge. Here naman sa Bitcraft, I have a hunting challenge. So I'm trying to level up the hunting challenge. So we're looking for simple bauxite, which is obtained from chunk, which is obtained from shale outcrop, and there you go. Oh no, you have to untrack bird. Wait, where can we find those? Tier 2. I think I need to go to a on the side. So yeah, I'll show you a bit. The not transporting, but uh traveling from one area to a little bit far. So maraming mga... This one you can see here, this is an empire. Empire here is static only, but you need real money to acquire the crown. But you can play this without spending money, especially if the game launches for their free to play. So hindi mo kailangan na gumastos. So you're playing free pero matagal-tagal pa. So, okay, we'll move here. Probably they have a station here. And again, yung ano dito is you don't really need you don't even need to join an empire. Settlement is recommended but not really required. It's recommended for the reason na if you want to join, okay, there you go. If you want to join, I mean, it's only a recommendation but not really required because you can you can use some of the stations without even joining them. For example, this I'm not even part of their settlement, but I can use their stations. But we'll check first. Parang ano na, somewhat empty. Kasi you can claim this. Yeah, I think it's online. Probably waiting to claim. Yeah. So if you're a member of that settlement, you can claim that. There will be a window wherein you can claim said settlement, and then you can deconstruct. Oh no, I don't have food. What's there to buy? I mean, you can deconstruct the buildings and claim all those materials. Ay, sana meron ditong ano. Asan yung ano nyo, sir? Oh no. Wala kayong... Okay, we have to kill one bird and then go back there. Tapos lutuin natin. So, may nabanggit ako in my other videos wherein hindi naman siya hindi itong larong 'to hindi siya ah, restrictive when it comes to other features. For example, nitong hunger meter niya or hunger system. Kasi sa iba, you are forced to manage efficiently and then kailangan meron ka laging pagkain. Dito hindi naman. And then ang pagkakatanda ko pa is you have to like eat higher tier para you need to eat the higher tier kind of food to get more. Alas similar naman siya but it's much ah, ano ba nga parang madali. As in hunting. Hindi siya gano'n ka-restrictive. Hindi rin gano'n kahirap. So, madali lang din siya. So, I'll try to craft that. Well, actually, I call it refining because so from your raw materials, deconstruct mo siya before you can totally craft them. So, there's 3 steps. So, gather, refine, and then craft. Yung sa refining niya, refining a material, nice. 100% yun, Refining a materials has multiple sub-steps where this one ang ano nito, ang kagaya niyan 'di ba, from animals to pelt, tapos ita-turn mo ulit into another pelt, and then, refine them again. Pero may additional material, and then you have to refine it again to a leather before you can craft it into your preferred, uh, material. Okey, asan na yung lutuan? Wait, wala ng lutuan, sir. Ba naman 'yan? Ay, ito. Okey, filter craftable. Just gonna roast this. Okey na din. So ayan, dalawang animal I can, craft them into 8, 8 meat wherein, it will give me so 1 meat, can give me about or can provide 15 minutes of food and, so I have 8. So not bad. Actually mali yung inano ko, dapat pala since I'm gonna be gathering a cargo type dapat ang ginamit ko is wagon. So we'll be using wagon. So this one is an advanced wagon as well. So mas mataas yung kanyang capacity. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 slots of 100 depth or 100. I can carry 100 pieces. So that's what 1,000 of cargo. So maganda na. It's one of the uh, update wherein maganda yung outcome kasi nga dati yung pagkakatanda ko is it's 10 slot pero parang 10 you can only carry 10 so that's 100 pieces of cargo which is isang slot na lang ngayon. So ngayon meron ka na 1,000 for the mini slots. Ito mga maliliit na 'to, konti lang compared to cart. Cart has better capacity pero, hindi lang for the cargo. So yun yung ano niya naman, balance purposes. Okey din naman. Kasi ang ano lang natin is to gather this and then, refine them. So kapagka we're starting gathering na I can, we're starting to refine them into smaller items. Puwede ko na siyang collect and then redeploy yung, cart. Yun na siya kaya online nga. Well, as you can see here na this gathering is an AFK part. So ito yung I can leave it, I can, go and do other stuff. Tapos ang babantayan ko na nga lang is the stamina. By the way, I have to eat just for the hunger meter. So I can just leave it and then it will, gather until maubos yung either may stamina or matapos na 'tong pag-extract. But with hunting, yeah, it's a different thing. Masyadong active. At isa pa kung bakit mas bet ko yung T1 instead of Tier 2 kasi ewan ko mas maganda tingnan compared to the color. Minsan yun din, yung coloring. Tier 2, I don't like gathering as well, pero mas maganda I mean, mas malapit when it comes to area. So this one is mostly Tier 1. That's in the closest town, starting town. Tapos sunod niyan, this is a little bit Tier 2. So medyo malayo-layo na which is why some settlements are or mas prefer nila yung mag-build ng settlement in that area tapos, gagawa ulit for the next tier. So parang pag gano'n yung ano niya, setup dito sa Bitcraft. So, if you're starting as a newbie, dahil nga meron siyang tiering up, I mean kahit na low tier, in demand pa rin kasi for the next upgrade. So, pagka lumayo ka na sa starting town, mga higher tier na 'yan siyempre. Pero wala na rin namang low tier, so you have to go there, which is why you need, newbies. Well, even if you're not newbies, if you're veteran, in demand pa rin yung low tier. I mean the idea in theory yun ah, idea nung laro. The problem is wala masyadong players which is why ang ang demand or hindi masyadong nagro-roll yung economy. But okey naman. For now chill, we're gonna chill. So back to the coloring, ang isang maganda ang bet ko is tier 4. At mas gusto ko yung kulay niya compared to, tier 2 and tier 3. Tier 3 okey pa rin, okey naman kasi, green or some neon something. Tier 5 okey din. I think ang hindi ko bet is I think 7 o tier 6 red. Tapos tier 7, do I have tier 7? Oh, medyo maganda. Tier 8, wait, tier 7, tier 7 don't like. Tier 8 pala yun. Tier 9, do I have tier 9? Meh. Tier 10, it's supposed to be white, but as well as you can see, it's same icon, same assets, only the color changes on the background. So, I mean, the game, the Bitcraft Online is still new. Kaka-release lang nga lang out of alpha actually. So this is paid beta. We paid for it and we're playing the beta phase. So it's kind of funny. Before, again, I please do check my other channels, my podcast, especially meron ako mga thoughts and feedback regarding the current status ng game. Hindi lang itong laro, but games in general. And part of it is about the paid early access, which has become a paid beta. Na dati it's supposed to be the players are the one that getting paid. Pero ngayon we're paying the the developers. And ang ano kasi dun is, ang reasoning is you're getting an early access of the game, but it's still bare bones. Ika nga. You can play, it's playable, but the content is somewhat you can finish, I don't know, in 3 months if you're playing rigorously. Dahil nga ako naman, I have took a long break. Siguro I played only for like 2 months straight, pero hindi naman straight, literally. Pero yeah, I played for 2 months and I was able to join a decent settlement. Yeah, there was a big empire as well, pero the the essence of the game has not been fully embraced by the player base. The game is a cooperative gameplay. I think the idea is for you to build your settlements and socialize. Wala siyang conflict or conflict-inducing gameplay. Aside from if you want to be an emperor, if you want to have that big ass crown, golden crown, well, you can play that, and then there's that conflict-inducing gameplay. But normally, the idea of the game is to play it cooperatively, to enjoy, to socialize. Pero yun nga, dahil it's still supposed to be a beta, most of the contents are still being polished, still being polished in production and in development in the back end. So, wala pa masyado. They have added dungeons, they have added that PvE raid aspect, which is common nowadays in the most games, most MMO. But uh, they have said yes, it's a 1.0 combat already. So a little bit more polishing siguro kasi there are those players na who play that, pero in order to do the high-end content, of course, you need either a bigger group, or if you're playing with few people, 2 or 3, you need higher tier of gears. And to craft those high tier gears, you need, of course, high tier materials. And to gather those high tier materials, again, you need higher tier tools. And to do those, you need to gather or you need to craft from the lowest tier to higher tier. May ano kasi siya eh. So your tools can be used to upgrade. So your uh, tools na ginagamit mo ngayon, if you want to go higher tier, it's part of the upgrade. So let's say, actually it's only shown the okay, this one. So that's tier 3. So if I want to craft higher tier, let's say if I was using tier 3, so if I want to use a tier 4, I need to uh, craft all this. And aside from that, I need the tier. So hindi lang basta-basta na parang I'll craft tier 3 immediately. No, I'll need smithing and yeah, I think smithing is for the crafting of tools. Yeah, smithing. So I need that tier to craft. Oh, this is only for the crafting, but if I want to craft tier 3, I need a level 30 smithing, which, okay, I have it. I can craft those, but it might take a while for me since I'm playing currently solo. So I have to gather all the materials for that specific tools. And since crafting tools requires at least three professions, so I need to have a level 30 minimum of those profession as well. So that's 4 in total with level 30 each, and it might take a while. Ang other way for that is if you have, of course, group, or if you will just buy the materials you needed. And as I've said, the economy is still not rolling dahil nga konti na lang yung players. Okay, it's done. Our stamina is out. We have to wait and then replenish our stamina. I think this was okay. So, yun nga, dahil nga wala na masyadong player, the economy is not booming. So, I have to gather those materials na kailangan ko if I want to craft those tools. Oh, not masonry. Asan nga ba yung smithing? There you go. Wait, was it smithing or masonry? Oh, not you. Yeah, smithing. Bawal mining. Ano ba yung ginawa ko nakaraan? Mining it is. Mining. There you go. Again, a little bit help with the UI. Okay, we have 50. Oh, 49. Oh, let's just call it 50. Okay, as I've said, so once we're done with this, wait. Ilagay natin dito. Okay, so once we're starting crafting, it's already empty. The reason na ginawa ko muna yan kasi if I store this with an item inside, mangyari it will drop in the settlement. I'm not sure if they have updated yung drop wherein it will not go to the claims immediately. Baka may oras na rin ulit. Pero okay kung may ganon, may timer na. Kasi dati parang pagkakatanda ko, I was crafting, it was tier 1 anyway, so it was new. So I was crafting a lot, tapos nahuhulog na pala sa claim. Tapos di ko na siya makuha. Buti na lang. andun yung isang member, so binigay niya sa akin. So, yun yung ano dun, parang di ko alam kung in-update na nila na parang may timer na ulit yung bag before it parang auto-claim or nagiging free for all yung claim, yung item. Okay, and then go back here, start with that. So, we have this. So, kung ilan man makuha natin, we'll go back to our home, which is the ruin town, start crafting with treatment. So, that was tier 2. Actually, I need a tier 1 pa pala. I think I have a stone chunk there kasi kailangan ko pa ng not wood treatment, leather treatment for our tier 1. So, we need to. So, yesterday I did teleport and I think I've used about 6 energy, and that would have been 6 hours, and more than 6 hours ang lumipas kaya it's full again my teleport energy. So I can just teleport there kahit na malapit. We'll see. Well, actually malapit naman eh. So titignan ko kung ilan laman. If kaya naman with my backpack, I'll just use my mount, the goat. Actually, deer mas mabilis. Sobrang bilis, you'll say, oh dear. So, yun lang, the time itself is, or I mean, ito yung ano, sa crafting and refining, may AFK pa rin daw time. By the way, I have I have created a Discord bot. So yeah, I've created a Discord bot na it computes for the effort kung ilan using your statistics. So if you have registered your character, it will go check the information dun sa Bitchita. So you can check bitchita.com. It's an open it's a website, third-party website na they have an access to the data ng Bitcraft. So ginagamit ko yun, their API. So kung ano yung suot ko na gears, it will oh no. It will compute for the bonuses na meron, and tapos ilalagay ko rin kung anong kina-craft ko, kung how much or how many items yung output, and then auto computes yung effort. I mean, you can do it. You can do it as well as long as para pwede ka mag-manual. So this is the effort. This is the effort to craft. So each hit will consume 16 effort, and each tick will consume 1.33 seconds. So divide mo lang yung 3,185 by 16 kung ilang ticks yun, and multiply by this time, and then you can get the seconds, and then just divide as necessary if you want the minutes or the hour. Tapos yun na yun, you'll have the computation. Ito naman nakita niyo sa taas, it's the experience. Each item has built-in XP. Tapos alam ko iko-compute din 'to, eh, kasama 'to sa computations, but you don't need to worry about that, only if you want to be efficient. So yan yung experience gain per hit. And alam ko pagka mas mataas yung tools, mas mataas din yung experience na nakukuha mo. So it varies, hindi siya fixed. But also this one, it depends on your tools, the tier and the quality. So mas preferred yung higher tools, higher tier, highest quality siyempre. May quote nga lang na we're in a T7, like flat quality or the common quality is worst compared to, let's say, T5 with the highest quality. So yun lang yung ano dun, which is why mahal yung highest quality, regardless kung anong tier. So, parang mas mahal yung Tier 5 Epic compared to Tier 7 na common. And also you can, kasi walang trash rate, you can craft and then try to, get the highest quality. Okay, we're almost done. So, after this, ang goal lang naman is to get that hunting goat. I'm not sure kung anong merong bago dun pero baka puwede na mag-hunt, while mounted. And maybe the, uh, cargo slot baka madami. Okay, this one's better. So, yeah, we'll just collect this and deploy our deer para mabilis. Tapos, let's go back to so yung pinagkaiba ng mounted and dismounted is if you click on the map, you can click farther and then let it just run autopath. So if you're mounted, you can do so, but if you're unmounted, dismounted, or demounted, malapit lang yan. I think also it has varying range depending on what mount you are using. Goat ata medyo shorter range. So if you're just pulling cargo, not cargo, cart and wagon, then that's a little mas shorter still compared to riding a mount. Pero ang pinaka-goal ko is the ox. Mas maganda yan, eh, kasi mas malaki yung kanyang cargo capacity. Deer has the deer is just fast, pero kokonti yung cargo capacity. Pinakamabilis yata is the bird. And additionally pala, regarding tasks, you can check here the shortcut button, T, and you can change the NPC name and then you can check the task na kailangan for the day. Or not for the day, for the current time kasi meron siyang, timer. So every 3 hours it replenishes. So you can earn money, you can get more every 3 hours. Dito pala tayo. So, gonna put this one for now and aking food. Actually, dito tayo. Okay, again, we'll have to craft the tier 1 tapos, uh, I mean, we will have to refine and then craft them. Okay, we're gonna store this one first. And then, ilabas ang cart. Tapos, hanapin yung buti na lang meron. So, we have 11. Uy, ba't tayo pumasok? Yun. Ay, ano pala siya, may radius. So, yung cart mo, you can just place it, pero hindi naman siya gaano kalakihan yung radius niya. I'm looking for my tier 1. Ayan, gulo pa rin kaya kailangan kong ayusin, eh. So, we need 2 of this. And then 4 nito. dalawang bucket, tapos yung bauxite which I don't have at the moment. Bauxite, wala. Yep, we're gonna craft. So, craft muna tayo. Ay wala, bakit ko sinasabi craft? Refine, I mean. Hold on. So, it's mining. Mine. Hindi diyan, alam ko dito yun, eh. Yun. So, we have 11 stone. Kahit dalawa lang, sana. Dalawa lang brother, dalawa lang. By the way, this is episode 3 of our leveling up. Medyo na-distract tayo ng konti. It's supposed to be for the hunting, pero halos related naman. This is episode 3 of that session. I am Lil Me and I'm doing this playthrough, gameplay, ano bang tawag na challenge. So, for those just listening, please do like, subscribe, share nyo lang din to your friends, especially in your Discord. And baka magustuhan nila yung laro. The game is still on early access. Kailangan mo lang bilhin. But they said na yun nga, meron siyang, magre-release siya for the free-to-play. So, we'll try to claim it. Hope for the best. Oh no! Grabe naman yun. Alright, so wala na. So, we'll have to gather again. Pero at least ito, malapit-lapit na lang. So, we're looking for, this one. So, abang ko lang to and then go back tayo sa pag-gather. So, as you can see, it's, I'm aiming for hunting goat, which is used for, hunting. And hindi siya literal na parang if you're only gathering or if you're going for something, it will be similar profession. So this is mining, a different profession. And yeah, ganun yung ganun yung setup. So connected kahit paano. May complementary aspect yung laro. So, yeah. Hindi siyang kumbaga, even if you're only focusing on something, let's say only for mining, hindi lang yung ginagawa mo is focused on the mining profession or kumbaga dun lang inline. Let's say I am mining this stone, so that's mining profession and mining XP. But the output ng materials dito, when you refine them, can be used for scalar, can be used for, I think it's smithing as well, because you can use the stoves. So, yun yung parang trajectory niya. So, if you want to, for example, be a scholar and you want to be self-sufficient, so if you want to be gathering your own materials, so isa to, isang path. So, as a scholar, as your main, then you will have to be a miner to get those bauxite. Pero yung as a scholar, pwede ka pa rin parang sub-focus or sub-specialized. excuse me, but so if you're specializing as a scholar, you can subspecialize further para mali yung term. So you can specialize further into, for example, potion brewer or uh, meron dito ano, elixirs. For example na lang yung treatment. So you can focus on that. Ang ano nga lang kasi is wala pang incentives on specializing, which is yun ang hinihintay ko. Halimbawa, I want to be a treatment specialist at ano lang, leather treatment. So ang gagawin ko, either I will gather the materials na kailangan ko or buy those. And ang pinaka parang output and goals ko is to focus on just crafting the leather treatment. Maganda sana kung bawa if you have like a mastery on this certain item na kina-craft mo, you provide more bonus. Maganda sana gano'n, eh. Pero dito hindi, eh. You can even just craft low tier and then, uh, get the highest or get the experience needed for that specific profession. Wala pa ring okey din naman 'yun in a sense na, puwede ka mag-focus into low tier. You don't need to go out and you're still providing materials na kailangan, na in demand. Unlike in other games wherein ang pinaka in demand is the highest quality, highest tier, kaya naitsapuwera yung mga newbies. Pero dito hindi, even if you're newbies or a long time player, gathering and crafting the low tiers has still in impact in the game. Hindi siya naiiwan. Ngayon ang ano na lang is, will there be a bonus if you're specializing in certain aspect lang? Yun yung maganda dun, eh, yung uh, you can focus on just one profession and then craft the one item, and then at the end of the day, once you have mastered it, you can say na, that's the item I have crafted kasi either may pangalan mo dun or the bonus na nabibigay dun is only applicable once you have attained this mastery, parang gano'n. Ano, it's just a game na you have to na may limit, ika nga. Siguro unlike in the real life na mastering a certain skill will indeed provide an output or give an output na it reflects your mastery. So I think that's the thing na the game or the developers are trying to attain. Hindi lang specific for this game but in other games or in this crafting and then specializing, yun yung gustong ma-attain nung mga developers. Maybe we can say that's the holy grail. To be able to create a game wherein being a special or being an expert in certain aspect or expert in a certain and specific thing will output yung or will reflect yung being specialist. Kaya nga. Alright, so we'll open this. And what? Asan na yung Braxite? Ba yan, sir? Grabe naman yan. Di ko lang alam pero even before when I took a break, napansin ko lang with low tier, alam ko ang parang ratio niya, may certain ratio like 0.2% or something, pero low tier has a very low drop rate. Even berries, kaya ang mahal ng berries. na tier 1 compared to say tier 3 or tier 4 berries, citric berries. Sobrang baba naman. Okay, we'll try again. Hold on. Let's eat. Punin natin. So try natin ulit. Di pa matapos-tapos yung ano, eh. Ang hirap kasi okay, we'll check for the Bracksite kung magkano. As we can see, there are those people na this pricing is, parang hindi siya bagay for the drop rate. Kasi sobrang baba. I mean, it's only you can AFK, gather them, leave it running, tapos you can mass craft and see how it goes. Pero parang 50 coins, I don't think that's ano ba, parang, that's fair. Maybe 100, puwede pa? Well, as you can see the listings here, someone selling for that's that's too expensive. So yung T4 mas marami pa. Actually, ang dami nga nito, oh. Yeah, I can buy them and then, hoard. So yeah, T6 mas madami yung demand, mas hindi madami demand, mas madami yung supply compared to the T1. T1 has, I don't know what happened. What happened, Bella? Yeah, there's a joke in Philippines regarding that. T. So we'll just AFK gather for a bit. Tingnan natin. Pero just to give you an idea, so for this 10,000 effort, and then we are consuming 16 effort per hit. So that's 625 hits, multiplied by, baba naman ng ano ko. Ang baba nung dapat ano na 'to, eh, about 1 point something, 1.2. Bakit kaya? Taas naman ang gamit kong weapon. I forgot. I have a crafting gears. So currently with this setup, with these gears, I will spend about 943 seconds, or 15 minutes. If my math is right, 15 or 16 minutes, with this setup. But I can switch. So wala pang fast switching nung suot mo. So ang mangyayari, you have to go here, and then I have to find my leather. So you have to convert into a deed. Tapos you have to equip them. So that's supposed to be 6 pieces. And aside from that, meron ka rin yung rings. So my ring is for gathering and, crafting. So isa na yun, which is good. So close ko lang 'to para hindi mapunta diyan. So 'pag sinuot ko siya, 1.34 na lang. So 0.2 seconds ang nabawas. Mas mabilis na. So as I've said, meron tayong 16 seconds, right? So for this one, it's only 14. So 2 minutes, at least 2 minutes, okay na rin. Pero yun yung process niya. So, wala pa kasing auto switch nung gears. Pero dahil meron ng, you can switch tab. I'm thinking na malapit-lapit na sila mag-update ng, gear switching. Kasi mangyayari 'pag gano'n, kailangan mo siyang convert into DIN, eto 'yun, and then equip them one by one. Though make sure na hindi open daw kasi 'pag ginawa mo 'yun mapupunta lang diyan, or if you want you can just right click equip, pero puwedeng close mo na lang 'to, close mo 'to and then left click and then it will be equipped. So yeah, that is the gathering session here. The reason na ayoko rin dun sa higher tiers kasi hindi naman sa malaki yung risk. Actually, there's no risk. The only downside is merong mobs na will hinder you from, gathering peacefully. So you have to kill them, tapos gather, kaso mag-i-spawn ulit. So you have to kill them and gather ulit. So natitigil. Pinakaano pa dun is meron dun yung sniper. I think the toad. So, sobrang layo mo and then he's hitting you from far away. Tapos bago ka makalapit, yung HP mo is mababa na. So, ang pinakamababang HP count dito is of course cloth, followed by leather, and then ang pinakamataas na is plate. Plate slows you down and it's only good for combat, of course. For gathering, it's leather. Crafting, it's cloth. So, yun yung kanyang parang classifications of different types. So, ang mangyari is, okay, I'll go there, I start wearing my plate, kill the mobs around, switch to my gathering gear, start gathering. Yun nga lang, you're already spending 6 slots of your inventory for the gears. So, either you have to convert them para magamit mo yun or leave it as is. Unless if you're gathering cargo type, which you don't need the slot at the moment. You will only need your cart or your cargo wagon. Downside naman is masyadong elevated yung area, so you can terraform. So you have to terraform first if you want to use or if you want to have flatlands. But then it will consume time. Kaya minsan ang iba hindi nila tina-terraform. But the idea is there. So in paper, in theory, plan ng developers or their thoughts are for players to terraform their preferred gathering area or have some players from their settlements to terraform that, have other players gather, and then other set of players to refine and craft the materials. Tapos, yung kina-craft nila either tools or whatever gears will be provided to their members, especially those terraforming group, and then gatherers. Tapos yun lang, iikot ulit. So that's like the loop na supposed to be ang gameplay loop. So that's the cooperative aspect. Pero I don't know, nasanay siguro yung ibang players to be so self-sufficient. Di nila naisip yun na you don't really gain anything from hoarding the materials. Coins are not even used at the moment. So, di ko alam kung bakit kasi nung umpisa ganun nangyari eh. I was thinking na players will understand that this is cooperative gameplay, cooperative game wherein you cooperate, you give stuff to players, you share stuff, and then you share them back. Kasi hindi, may I tried to ask for some tools to help or to help me para I can help settlements better. Pero ang sabi niya, ay, you go, parang gather mo muna, I'll craft them. I'm gathering, I'm being a different profession. I was, I think, foraging at that time, or fisherman, I forgot. But I don't have the, I don't have the level and the tools yet to gather the, or to mine. Kasi ang kailangan ko is, so I was a fisherman, so I need a higher tier na for the gears. So parang ang mangyari, I have to go back to tier 1 dun sa mining, start gathering hanggang sa gather ko yung tier 3 kasi po-provide ko dun. So instead na if we have like a good plan wherein, okay, so one guy, a miner with tier 3 already will gather these materials, give it to the crafter who can craft it, who can craft a tier 3, and once crafted, that item or that tools, tier 3 tools will be given to the guy who requested it, which is me. And for me, since meron akong tier 3, I am foraging. I am foraging items. I am forager. I don't know. So that's the profession na pinili ko. So yung nagala ko na tier 3, I'll provide it to the guild, or I mean to the settlement. So yun yung magiging loop sana, supposed to be. Yun nga, dahil nga sanay sila na self-sufficient, solo, it's yun lang, na-burnout din sila. Ayaw ko lang kung nag-active pa. And as I've said, mas talong tumagal instead na napadali. Well, that's them, that's me. And iba rin yung bet ko. Kaya anyway, we're almost there. So isang oras na rin. Nabot na tayo ng isang oras just to get the Braxite. Actually, kakraft ko pa yan. So we'll see if we can manage to craft the refined leather. Okay, this is okay. So magpapalit na tayo. So kanina, di ba, 1.5 when we were gathering with cloth, and then when we swap to leather, naging siya 1.3. So this time naman, papalit tayo ng leather to cloth. So ayan, mas mabilis na. So after that, I can just add this to my vault. Your vault is some sort of your inventory, pero hindi siya it has an unlimited capacity, but it only has limitations na only gears and deployables. The rest, you don't need to worry about this. This one is provided by system once you have bought the early access. So ito yung vault mo. Mostly it's cosmetics. Your leather can be used as cosmetic as well, pero hindi siya maganda. The rest can be accomplished, or you can get those once you completed or accomplished some tasks. Actually, ano yun, like milestone. Forget the wait, what's the keybind? Forget the keybind though. Oh, this one, the achievements. So once you've reached some sort of achievements or milestone in that specific profession, you will be able to get something. So for example, in leather, if you reach level 40, you can get this, and etc. Some cosmetics are good, and you can mix and match. As you can see here, mine is a mix of everything. Level 40 is the best, I guess, but let's see, what was that? I think Scholar has the best. Oh, it's still nothing, but still far away though. But they look good. So the higher it is, the higher milestone you get, the better cosmetics. The rest, this one, Orb here, it's a pet. It's from the system as well for early access. Uh, Players, some are in the game. For example, this one, yes, you can buy it from the market or you can gather something and then it will give you an egg, I guess. Similar for this, uh, frog and then the mini owl. All right, let's see again. Hope for the best. There you go. I got two. Just enough. All right. Okay, let's go back. Actually, let's put it on the bank. All right, guys, it's an hour na. Pero I will finish this. Try to get that freaking goat. And we'll collect this. I'm just gonna deploy my goat. Tapos, I think we need two of this as well. All. I think that's it. Go to Scholar. I think this one. Craftable. Wait, why I cannot craft? I have this. I have this. Tama na, di ba? Did I miss? I have. Oh, fish oil. Okay. Di pala tannin. I thought that was fish oil. Pero yung, fish oil. Yeah. Okay. I thought I had the right material. But anyway, it's only the fish oil. I have the fish oil anyway. So I need 4. Yun lang. Baka wala. Fish oil. Yun lang. Baka wala. Baka wala nga. Alright, ito lang. Yeah, di na ata. Pero feel ko baka meron dito. Baka meron. Fish oil. Okay, meron naman. Eh kaso, dalawa lang. I have to go this Three Rivers Point. Saan ba yan? Saan na yan? Oh, this one? Ay, nako sir. Kung hindi, Bili tayo nung fish. Ano ba pangalan nun? You can get this from Marlin or Findarter. Yun lang. Yung fillet yung kailangan ko. Okay, I'll probably teleport. Port Jacko. Bili tayo marami. Alam mo marami ako nun eh. Kasi panay-bili din ako. As I've said, I have been doing a lot of tier 1 crafting, especially for the scholar professions. So I was buying a lot, especially low tier. And if it's cheap, I would buy it. I have some sort of calculator na ginawa ko mismo. The idea of having that value per rarity. Kasi nilagyan ko ng value yun para alam ko kung this one is supposed to be expensive. Hindi siya yung parang i-divide mo equally. 180. Can only buy 180. The reason is if I add more, boom, wala. Mahal na siya. So buy this. Ano ba? May mabibili pa ba ako dyan, sir? T1 na kailangan. Medyo mahal. Ito okay lang to sana eh. I think meron na important. Oh yeah, this one is okay to eh. Kasi pwede mo siyang gawin at pwede mo makatong Malta crop oil. At 5, goods yan. Masyado ng mahal. Ano ba nga ito? 68 plus. Okay na din to. Kunti lang. Actually, no. Kaya lang tayo na, 2. Shadow Creepot. Tapos, okay na yun. Teleport na tayo. 9%. Not bad. Alam ko ano ata ang ano dito is additive. Ang bonuses. Okay, we have everything we need. So, pakita ko lang yung bonus at kung ano yung output niya. I think that's it, right? Tingnan natin. So, yung kanina should be 1.30, right? Okay, we're good. Eh, ba yan, sir? 2 pa. So, craft lang natin hanggang makuha natin yung gold. Tapos batchi na. $1.33. So, try to eat this one. Nakita niyo naman, 1.33. So, may bonus tayo. Wala. 1.24. So, that 9% maganda rin yan. Especially if you're crafting a lot. So, dagdag na din. Pero for now, the bonus is a little bit low, on the low end. Siguro kailangan pang i-adjust. Hindi ko lang alam yun sa T10. That's T5 kasi. So, that was T5. So, baka mas mataas yung tier 10. And, which is why, konti-konti lang yung bonus na binibigay. So, parang ang goal is, pero yun yung ayoko kasi you will have to rely dun sa high tier. Diba? Ba't di ko makraft yung so yeah, so you will have to rely sa high tier to get the highest bonus. So parang ang mangyayari kasi noon, may tsapuwera itong yung mga low tier na pagkain unless the low tier will be used to upgrade to the highest tier. Magandang ganon. Hindi siya may tsapuwera. You can still use low tier if kumbaga wala ka masyadong gear. Okay. Bakit kulang? Oh! Oh! Wait. Oh no. Tinapos ako dun ng compute. Ba yan, dapat talaga nag-aano ako, nagsusulat ako eh. Kulang tayo ng, asan na si Alice? Sisihin natin si Alice. Ay, nako sir. Ayan, next session na lang. Dalawa lang pa naman yung nakuha kong Brachyte. Oh, yes. Dalawa pa nito. So, I need tama naman, di ba? Dalawa nito pala. And kailangan kong dalawa, so dapat pala 4. Mali yung computation natin, 4 pala kailangan ko. So, kailangan ko na lang dalawa. So, dalawa pa ulit na ganito. So, we'll see kung may makita tayong Brachyte na mura. Nga, wala nga pala eh. Brachyte pala talaga, sir. So, pinaka natin is rough stone. Bilhin na lang natin ito muna. Little bit expensive, pero hindi lang sir, dito na rin naman. Ilan ba yun, 16 pieces? Eto na lang ang pag-asa natin. Buti na lang bumili na ako ng maraming fish oils. Dalawa lang sir, bigyan mo ako dalawa. So ito, dito ka na kasi kailangan ko lang is bractside. Bra! Tagalang patuloy. Tama ba? Tama. 5 nito plus ito para maka-craft nito. Ay nito. Since kailangan ko rin ng dalawa, kailangan ko pa ng 5 letters at ilan ba binili ko? Sakto lang. Ah, Sinakto ko lang ba yung binili kong leather? Yun, yun lang. Binili kong leather sakto lang. Ilan ba yung kailangan ko sir? 10 pa ulit. Dapat pala binente ko. Meron ako dyan is iron. Yung parehas kasi yung mukha eh. Tapos, parehas kasi yung mukha ng iron eh. Ano to? Mukha. Ferrite. Parehas kasi yan eh. Sige, teleport na lang tayo dun sa actually, pwede kong i-craft to. Kaso nga lang, sampo. 1:1. 1:1. Kaso maghihintay ako ng 5 minutes on. Yep, instead of waiting, you can just teleport. Kailangan ko lang yung glass. Saan yung glass ko? Dalawa nito. Dalawa niyan. Subukan ba? Craft ko lang yung leather treatment. Tapos, balik tayo ng Port Jackal. Bili tayo ng mahal naman kasi nung ano na yun. Sino ba yung may pinakamura? This one is 197. Heart rest. Dito tayo sa heart rest. Heart rest it is. Heart rests. I-play ko nga muna 'to. Para alam ko kung ano yung kailangan ko. Tapos heart test. Ay naku po, dapat sana tapos na, eh. Ay ano pala siya, hindi siya tama? Ay hearth ba yun? Hearth rests. So as you can see, crafting. So it's better if you have notes, the mental notes, or if you're not like me na sabog yung mental notes. Nagkabala ng computations done. But yeah, you can just have a notes, whatever you better sa phone or in your PC. Oh wait, wala dito. So, yan, take a note and then make plans. 2.5 for the leather. I have ano naman pero kailangan ko lang 10. So yeah, if you're gonna do a crafting, make plans. Ito rin maganda. As I said, I want to create. Actually, it's in a different video, but I want to create my own guild. So we're just gonna play casually. And the difference with in my plan is, it's a casual gameplay with a plan. Casuals with a plan. So that's the idea. Take everything. Actually, ano, kunin ko muna 'to. So, yeah, it's casual gameplay with a plan. So, make plans, guys, make plans. Pagka-craft natin ito, di ko alam kung saan ba 'yan. Dito pa rin ba? Di ko lang maalala. Leather working. So, yeah, it's same dito. Pero wala. Oh, this one. By the way, just be careful kasi minsan ito yung nakakaano dito, eh, magkakamukha kasi. Kaya parang baka magkamali ka ng process or magkamali ka ng click. I think I did that incident. Nagkamali ako ng click, iba pala yung gusto ko i-craft. So, you have to redo everything. Okay. Okay naman kasi merong ganito, like may mark or you can just click craftable tapos, you can craft, whatever you need. So, just be careful lang. Don't be dumb. Don't be like me. Pero don't forget to subscribe, to share. Alright, we're done here. We're almost done. Asan na namin si Alice? There siya. Malapit na tayo, guys. I think one more Just last step, and we can get that hunting goat, hunter's goat. So we'll bank this one and turn it into a deed. Go back, pay, and trade to Alice. Oh, wait, I have coins. Ano bang ano? Oh, okay. Oh, I have na. Kasi, ba't di ko mabili? Sir, ba't di ko sir mabili? Napakahirap ako ah. Ayun. Ano ba yun? Hindi siya intuitive. So, what we have is cargo slot 12x. Add the vault. Ano yun? Ba't ganon? Mas malalim. I mean, +2. So, +4. Pero pwede ko na yatang i-attack to ng nakasakay. Oh! Oh, yes. Better. Aha, okay, that's the thing. Okay. All right, well, we'll end this one. So I think that's the hunter's goat. Pero di ko tinesting yung ano, if I had just the goat, if I can gather. Pero ano ko hindi. But now they have created a new mount or upgraded mount. Pero alam ko dati, ganito yan. Yung setup dati, or nung umpisa, you can hunt while mounted. Tapos tinanggal nila, ngayon binalik ulit nila, but in a different way. So you have to upgrade your mount. So that's the hunting. Medyo natagalan yung ating process. So we had to to buy stuff, go and gather other stuff, especially the bauxite. As you can see, yun yung pinaka in demand materials here in Bitcraft, yung mga low tier materials that are rare. Bauxite, citric berries, fish oil, actually not fish oil, crab oils. So those things, I think meron din yung straw, but anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time around. This is Lil Me with the episode 3 of our hunting, leveling up our hunting profession. So see you next time around and ciao.